Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Off-White Dunks, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Family Ties by Baby Keem and Kendrick Lamar. Brand new song that came out, go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these dunks. All right, so obviously today we're gonna be taking a look at the Off-White Dunks. This is lot 3 of 50. I was able to get this pair off of exclusive access. And let me just say, I really wasn't a big fan on how they released this shoe. I just hate that a lot of people weren't able to get a chance at it. So yeah, I got these for retail. I got them the second to last day, so Thursday. And before we actually do look at the shoes, I wanna show you guys the box real quick. It's basically an all brown box with some fake tape on it, and then you have a little tag at the bottom. I actually really like the box. On the paper, you can see it just says Off-White, and then on the side of the box you have all 50 colorways, and then they mark off whichever one you got. So I got 3 out of 50. And then on the other side you have the regular sneakers tag. I got a size 9 and retail was 180, which, let me say, that's a lot for a pair of dunks. I thought retail was going to be like 150 max. So yeah, I was actually really surprised when I saw that retail was 180. And surprisingly, these go for around $350 to $450 depending on what color you want. And then obviously 1 out of 50 and 50 out of 50 go for over $1,500, which is just ridiculous. For me, if I got a pair for retail, I would be happy, but if I didn't, I really wasn't tripping too much about it. But yeah, man, I was actually very worried that this pair was gonna get stolen by FedEx. A lot of people got their pair stolen. I was also worried that I was gonna get a super trash colorway, but as you can see, it's just an all gray Nike Dunk. You have a purple little rubber tag at the bottom. It says 3 out of 50. See how it's like a nice tie-dye purple? And then you also have these rope laces. On camera, these look white, but they have kind of a purple hue to it, so it kind of matches with that. And then you also have the purple hang tag and the purple tongue. For every single pair, the hang tag and the tongue both match. Let me show you guys the tongue real quick. It has holes in it, as you can see. And then you have that Nike tag on the side, and then obviously you have that exposed foam. So I'm actually surprised with the materials they used on this shoe. Some pairs came with all suede and then leather right here on the toe box and on the side, and then there's this pair that came in all leather and then like a canvas material on the sides. My pair also came with a leather interior. So yeah, this whole sock liner is just all leather. You can also see the purple insoles that are in there. Both shoelaces have the word shoelaces on it. Let me say, it's gonna be kind of weird having both laces on this shoe, but because I actually really like this colorway, I'm actually gonna keep this shoe. I think this is one of the better colorways of the 50. This is probably like top 5. You also have some silver writing right here on the side and a green little Off-White tag. And then once you look at the shoe from the inside, you have that Off-White writing that's on every single Off-White shoe. And then the bottom is just all gray. So do I think you should go out and pay resale for a pair? In my opinion, no. It's literally an all gray dunk. If you really want a gray dunk, just go buy the Vast Grays. I believe those go for like half the price of these. I think those go for the retail price of these. Like, the Off-White details are nice, but it's just not really something I would pay resale for. Like I said, if I got this pair for retail, I would be very happy, which I did, so that's great. The only reason I really have this shoe is because I got it for retail. If I had to pay resale, I would not do it. If you're getting the 1 out of the 50 or the 50 out of 50, I feel like that one isn't too bad. I don't think those are worth over $1,500, but if they lower a little bit, maybe to like 12, 1,000, I think that's when you should buy them. I also forgot to mention that on the hang tag, you actually have the lot number. So for me, it's 3 out of 50. So yeah, let me know if you guys were able to get this pair via exclusive access. I'm gonna stop talking and spin the shoe around for you guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Off-White 50 Dunks. Like I said, this one's my favorite, and I'm actually going to be keeping this pair. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at this shoe on feet.